Heart rate isn't just a number, it's a window into your physical fitness. Are you intrigued how your age affects this vital statistic? Your heart works tirelessly to circulate life-giving blood and oxygen. It adapts quickly based on your body's needs during exercise. Tracking your heart rate becomes essential, especially for those with heart conditions. Understanding this can protect your health when exercising. As you age, your target heart rate changes, highlighting the importance of knowing your ideal range for safe workouts. Danger lurks when your heart rate surpasses your maximum, especially for those with pre-existing health issues. Listen to your body's signals. Maximum heart rate calculation is simple. Just subtract your age from 220. This method helps gauge your exercise intensity effectively. Overall, exercises tailored to individual needs can boost health, but always consult professionals for safe initiation of any fitness program.